Okay, we're gonna change the fuel filter on the Mercruiser 3.0. This is a Bayliner 1995, 1954 boat. There's a 10 millimeter screw on the bottom of the fuel pump housing down there. It usually has a piece of wire to keep the screw from backing out, so you have to take that wire off. You can use a flat tip, but it's easier to use the 10 millimeter. It's easier to use that. I got trash bag down there to catch the gas, and I also have a cup that's gonna catch some of the gas once I already loosened the screw. And now I just gotta push up on this two side connectors holding it, and you just push up and out, and one side comes off, and then you can get the filter off. You wanna get this, push this little pin out, and then push it out to get it disconnected. Kind of hard to see without the flash. You can actually get the fuel filter off without removing those two side clamps. Once you loosen it up enough, the fuel filter will just come out. And looks like there's not much gas that came out of it. It's the cup. There's some on the trash bag, but not much in the cup. Looks like this one still has the original fuel filter, which is a stone, so it's never been replaced. It has some either those are stone residue or some kind of shavings in there. Once I took the fuel filter off, the brackets just were easier to come out. I guess I'll put those back on and then slide the fuel filter in place with the brackets already in their little slots. Now I got to get the original gasket out of the housing underneath the fuel pump. Here's the gasket. Original gasket. You might want to use a real cup or something more sturdy, plastic cup. Gas each right through it. Ordered a new filter. Comes with gasket, new spring, two little gaskets, and a new gasket like that one. That's what it looks like from underneath. Where the filter and the housing is going to go. Put the new gasket on already. I'm going to put this bracket on first because you can slide the little bucket in between this and then tighten it up, instead of putting the bucket on and then putting this on last. It looks like it's going to be easier to put this in place first. Just put it in place like that. Gonna take the old filter out, the original, and the old spring. Let's see. We got a new spring and a new filter. It goes bottom down on top of the spring. Okay, I'm gonna have to use the shorter spring because the new filter is taller than the old filter. So if you try to use the old spring, the new filter won't fit.